Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable fractional shares on Robinhood so you can start investing in your favorite stocks even with small amount of money, ETFs and crypto easily right from your phone. Whether you're a beginner just looking to invest smartly, Robinhood makes it simple. First, you need to open to the Robinhood app, and if you do not have, so you can go to the App Store or Play Store and you can download it from there as well, and make sure you have already logged in to your Robinhood account. And what you have to do is select in the top left corner, there's a 3-line icon, select there, and once you reach into this interface you need to go to the settings and you need to next tap search icon in the bottom. Over here, once you reach into this icon here, you need to type down the stock you want to buy. For example, Amazon or Tesla. You can tap the stock to open its page and search for it. Instead of buying a full share, you can select tap buy once you find one of the instruments over here and select buy on the bottom, and then enter the dollar amount you want to invest. Robinhood will automatically give you a fraction of the stock based on your investment amount. For example, if a stock costs 1000 and you enter 50, you'll get a 0.05 shares, and once you've entered the amount you can select review, check the details and then submit it. That's it, you now own a fraction of a stock without paying a full share. So that's how you buy fraction shares on Robinhood today, even without enable button. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.